Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy life. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the cue card basically, and so I'm very excited and very energetic today for speaking in this video because I've been consistent on the YouTube and I feel some sort of proud that I'm able to be a consistent uploading the video on the YouTube basically. That is most important thing for me, at least nowadays, and without thinking about improvement, because sometimes we feel like demotivated and we got lot of challenges but we are not able to tackle them, and because of that I quit like uploading the video sometimes. But we need to take it as a challenge, because that is a part of game. If we are not getting challenges, so how can we overcome that? Basically is a part of game, you need to understand that. So I'm going to add one picture in this side, which is about which is I'm going to speak on that video basically at least for 2 minutes or more than that. Basically I'm just trying to speak more by getting like a picture and just building the content after checking the picture basically. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I see this picture, so in this picture basically represent students who are sitting on their classroom and just waiting for their teacher basically. There are some children as well who are like speaking to their classmate about last day basically, whatever happened to their life basically. So they are asking about that, and apart from that there is also exam of them which they are preparing for themselves. And so yeah, there is a other thing is that they are talking with their close friends, which is about basically like whatever the answer is coming basically. School days there is a lot of people ask, basically lot of child ask about what's the how they have prepared basically in our life as well. Me as well, like do the same thing. So as I'm assuming that, and there is a lot of discussion, and the picture represent that education is more very important part of everyone's life, if that will help us to grow ourselves. So this picture represent that. And there is like people are gossiping, like childrens are gossiping with their friends, and basically this image, that is all represent. So I think there I should need to speak more, and there is certain things required for more, right? But yeah, nowadays initial days we need to just speak and just keep consistent ourselves. So in near future I will definitely speak more on the pictures as well. And yeah, there is a lot of things I have to speak, but yeah, I haven't able to speak more that. And so that is not a big thing. In near future I'm going to do that. And uh, basically what matters is like are you able to like consistently working on yourself or not, because at the end you will get the result, that is a byproduct. And just need to focus more on yourself without distracting like your way basically. In this video, that is it. I think you understand what I'm trying to say, and in upcoming days you will also find a more helpful video, more English speaking videos. So yeah, today that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.